Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Last time we explored how AI and KNIME can revolutionize product naming. But what happens after you have the perfect name? You need killer product descriptions. If you're managing an e-commerce business, especially one with multiple websites, you know the struggle. Creating unique, engaging, and SEO-friendly product descriptions for every single SKU. It's time consuming, expensive, and if you just copy paste, you run into a huge problem. Duplicate content penalties from search engines. This can severely hurt your organic rankings. Imagine if you're a retailer selling the same amazing outdoor jackets on two different e-commerce platforms, say adventure outdoor apparel and urban streetwear. While it's the same physical product, Google and other search engines expect unique content for each URL. If your product descriptions are identical, you are essentially telling search engines that you have duplicate pages, which can lead to lower visibility for both. The solution? Two distinct, high quality and SEO optimized descriptions for the same product, tailored slightly for each website's audience and search intent, but always original. Doing this manually for hundreds or thousands of products, nearly impossible. But with AI and KNIME, it's not just possible, it's efficient. That's exactly what we are tackling today. We are going to build a powerful workflow in KNIME that leverages the intelligence of large language models like ChatGPT to automatically generate not just one, but two distinct SEO-friendly product descriptions for the same item. We feed it basic product information, the name and a few key attributes, and let AI do the heavy lifting. This means you maintain unique content across your digital storefronts, improve your SEO, and free up your content team for more strategic tasks. For this demo, we'll be working with a simplified data set for outdoor jackets. Each row represents a product, and we have its product name and 3 to 4 product attributes like material, key features, weather suitability, and style. This is our foundation for generating rich, descriptive content. Our goal is to transform this concise data into two unique paragraphs that effectively sell the product while avoiding duplicate content. Alright, let's jump in and take a quick look at the workflow architecture. It looks like a few steps, but each one is crucial and easy to understand. Data ingestion. We start by reading our product data. Prompt engineering. We create prompts that will help us generate the content for the two different websites. Next, we do LLM integration by connecting our workflow in KNIME to OpenAI, and using an LLM prompter, we are going to send our prompts to OpenAI and receive a response. And finally, we take our output, perform any cleanup activities that we need before exporting the data out into an Excel file. Let's break down each part. First, we bring in our product data. For this example, I'm using a simple table creator node with our mock jacket data. In a real-world scenario, you would likely be using a CSV reader or a database reader or an API call to your PIM system. This mock data doesn't need any cleaning at this point, but we are now going to use the string manipulation node to create the prompt. The two prompts that will help us generate unique content for the two different websites look something like this. For our first website, let's imagine it caters to serious outdoor enthusiasts. Our prompt will emphasize ruggedness, performance, and technical details, using words like rugged, adventure, performance, weatherproof, outdoor, followed by the product name, the attributes that we have with us, and we will ask for a description for ChatGPT to give us. For our second website, perhaps it's more lifestyle oriented, targeting urban dwellers who appreciate both style and functionality. our prompt will shift focus to versatility, urban appeal, and comfort. So you'll notice we are using keywords such as stylish, versatile, urban, comfort, everyday. And we're also asking in the prompt for the output description to be distinct from an SEO perspective. We are again sending the same product details to the LLM prompter. Notice how we inject our product attributes directly into the prompt, extracted from our input data. The key here is the specific instructions and target keywords to guide the AI in creating distinct outputs. The string manipulation node will have the part of the prompt that is going to be common for both the websites. So this expression will include product name, material, features, weather suitability, and style and fit, which are the attribute data that we have on our input data coming from the PIM system. I'm going to call this column as prompt and click OK. So when I run it, we'll see that the prompt column has got the product name, material, and the attributes along with an empty prompt for description. Next, we use an LLM prompter to send a prompt to ChatGPT for the first website. The configuration for the LLM prompter is something like this. We are going to use the system message option and provide a global message for the prompts that applies to the first website. This is our prompt for getting the product descriptions for the first website, which is focused more on outdoor adventure performance. Let's call the response as website underscore a underscore description. Click OK. We are going to use a second LLM prompter node to prompt ChatGPT for descriptions for the second website. I'm going to take the output from the first LLM prompter and send it to the second one. And when I configure it, again, I'm going to add a system message, use the global option. In this system message for the second website, we are asking ChatGPT to focus more on an urban lifestyle type of a website description. Our prompt column is going to be prompt. The response, we'll call it website B description. Click OK. Let's now run both these LLM prompters and see the output. The LLM prompter nodes are connecting to ChatGPT and will provide us a response that we will use. The first prompter has finished its job. The second prompter is now asking for descriptions for the second website. We have now received responses from both the prompters. I'm going to add a column filter node and exclude the prompt column from my output, as that is not relevant. Let me show you the output using a table view. So you'll see that for the same product, we have two descriptions, one for website A, one for website B. The description for website A for the Summit Seeker hard shell is like this: conquer the great outdoors with Summit Seeker hard shell, a rugged, durable Gore-Tex jacket design for the ultimate adventure seeker. And this description focuses on an outdoor experience for an adventure-seeking customer. For the same product, for website B, the description is something like this: introducing Summit Seeker hard shell, a stylish and versatile urban wear essential design for the modern urban explorer. So this description focuses on a different type of customer who would like to use the same product in an urban setting with a focus on style, functionality, and comfort. We can then use an Excel writer node to export this data out and send it to content reviewers who can then review the content before publishing the content on the two different websites. The benefits of this approach are enormous. Massive time savings, generate hundreds or thousands of descriptions in minutes, avoid duplicate content penalties and rank higher. While descriptions are unique, the underlying product attributes ensure accuracy. This workflow can easily be adapted for any number of products or websites. It can free up your content team to focus on high-level strategy and unique marketing campaigns. This is just one example of how you can leverage AI and KNIME to automate tedious content creation tasks and solve real-world e-commerce problems. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. If you have feedback to share with me, or if you have questions, leave a comment. If you'd like a copy of this workflow for you to use or adapt, send me an email and I'll send you the workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we might explore using Python scripting within a KNIME workflow. Stay curious, keep automating.